Hey everyone, so today we're going to do resin art for beginners, and we're going to go step by step. There's so many people on Facebook that is saying they still can't get it, so today we'll go step by step. We'll do a simple pour and we'll go from there. So I'm going to cover three main problems that they're having. Is that what temperature, the white pigment. A lot of people are mixing the white pigment with Sinker white, two different things. I mean, I'm not saying that you can't make blooms out of Sinker white, but it's not part of our bloom. And basically pouring at the same at a different stage, so we need to keep it sort of like all together, and so everything can flow. So with that, I'll show you a piece. I couldn't find one that had a few mistakes, but I ended up finding one, and you see these little white bubbles here? It's basically not waiting for the resin to warm up a little bit more. And I think another thing that actually caused that was I cut my bag too thin. So when you're pouring, it actually spurts little white blobs as you go, you know. And I never thought of it. I mean, the bloom at the back is beautiful. You can see that it all came out, except at the edge of the petal, you've got these little blobby things, which looks pretty, but I wasn't happy fully with it. So we'll go now to our resin. I'm using a 1:1 resin by Artco, which is a 4R fast cure resin. I've taken it and I've already mixed it, and it's running at 34 degrees at the moment, 36. So I got to get on with it. Now out of this cup, because it's the same temperature, I've separated some for my white. You got to keep these the same temperature, because the minute you pour this into your mold, you'll find that it'll start to cool off. So I'm going to see if I can fit in all four. Now another thing is that when you pour your resin in, you don't need a lot. You just need, say, 1/4 of your mold. Okay. There's fluff coming in from. So we'll go for a kiwi green. These are all by Deco Rom. Go for a green. We'll go for a turquoise. I'm going to keep it simple. A yellow. And we'll keep this one just plain white, and we'll have a black background on this one. Okay, now I'll mix my white. I'm going to use Ocean White by Resin, by Let's Resin. And we'll go for 2 drops. Mix that in thoroughly. And we'll put it into our bag. So we'll keep it bare minimum, see how we go. Now when you cut the tip, you just take a tiny little bit off. Because you can't have too fine a line, because you'll end up with your flowers not moving. Okay, so that's one. That's two. Now, if you want to learn this method, I have got a membership. It's quite cheap to have a look, step by step, what you need to do. It's even cheaper than a coffee. So you'll be supporting my channel and also learning new things. This one came a bit wonky. But don't stress if they come out wonky, because they'll still bloom. Okay, so we've got all that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of green in here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the same white. Gonna mix it up. And just give it a bit of contrast. I think I've got a little bit missing here. Okay, so then we'll give it a little bit of heat. Mustn't forget the heat. It's the heat that helps it move. And then pull out the blobs, like in the middle. Just do a little tiny swirl. And I think we'll go outwards. And these ones, will come inwards. I'll go from the middle, just there. Don't touch the dots. Hopefully they spread. This green is looking beautiful. And we'll do two of the same. So we'll go there, there. I'm just showing different ways that you can actually pull your petals out. You can go inwards, you can go outwards, anything. All right. So we've got two inwards and two outwards. I personally don't like the ones that go outwards, but they could turn out absolutely beautiful. Oh, I forgot the green in this one. Okay, and we'll see you for the The backing, I may choose different color backings or may just stick with the black. So these are the most simplest ones you could do. Just circles, little spirals, and they actually turn out quite nice. Okay, we'll see you then. So hi everyone, time for demolding these. Now I've chosen different colors, so see how we go. I've never used different colors because I think black does the best job. But we'll have a look. Interesting. Okay, let's have a look. All right, let's start with the yellow. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. The next one was, I think, the green or the white. Look at that. Gorgeous. I think they'll all be very similar. Oh, wow. Look at the white one. That came out gorgeous. And this is the... what color was that? Blue. So a lot of the blue's gone. Yeah. So what do you think? Turned out beautiful. And then I'll maybe use a silver, go right around. So basically, it's just a chrome marker that I got from Amazon, and I'll finish these and I'll be back. So here's a close-up of them where I've put the silver on all of them. They're gorgeous. I love the white one. The blue one's beautiful too. That's the turquoise.